Proud moment for the Northeast and major boost to the tourism of Arunachal Pradesh, as the world's tallest bamboo-made Buddha statue has been installed in the state. Standing 45 feet tall in Tengapani in Arunachal's Namsai district, the statue is said to be the tallest bamboo statue in the world. A team of 50-member Burmese architects have intricately designed and constructed the Buddha statue in a span of just 2 years. The three-day inauguration ceremony began on Wednesday and will conclude on Friday. People from Namsai district have gathered there to offer prayers to Lord Buddha. Besides, monks from Myanmar have also come to the state to attend the inauguration ceremony.
So today is a very nice day. We come to arrive in this Arunachal Pradesh at Tengapani Meditation Center. We are come from Myanmar and come to blessing our Minister Chawna and he donation and some weaving ropes in short time to offer the bamboo weaving Buddha in here. So we come to here, we are so very pleased.
The construction of the statue has been funded by Arunachal Pradesh MLA Chao Tewa-men. Speaking about the statue, Chao Tewa-men said that the bamboo used for making the statue has been treated in such a way that it can last for more than 500 years.
The statue is mainly made out of bamboo. It is treated in such a way with so many materials that its longevity, generally bamboo goes hardly 3 to 3 years. Okay. But then this statue will last for more than at least 500 years.
Attending the inauguration ceremony, Deputy Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Chawna Main said that the statue would give a fillip to the tourism in the state and particularly to Namsai.
Namsai district is very spiritual tourism spiritual tourism, natural tourism, adventure tourism, wildlife tourism,
Devotees and visitors have also expressed their happiness to catch a glimpse of the tallest bamboo statue of the world. With inputs from Ripunjay Das, this is Shiza Khan for Northeast Live.